Okay. It's raining right now, and we have to do the cinnamon challenge outside because we can't get it on the carpet or anything in the house. And even though it's raining, we're still doing it outside. Woo! Okay. So we got our glasses of water and our ground cinnamon. No, turn around so they can see the cinnamon. Oh, I did. Harley, shut up! We got our tablespoons. Okay, look. Okay. Why won't it come through? Shake it. Do this. Oh, that's a lot. Yuck. There's my cinnamon. I don't know if you can see it, but I got mine. Get wet because then it'll get. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! You guys are sick. Okay. Yep. Okay.
I hate you guys.
That was probably the grossest thing we've ever done.